Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about a new program, Financial Analyst Foundation Program. If you are from a non-finance background like engineering, or even if you are from the finance background, but financial analysis and accounting is not something which is part of your day-to-day work, but if you would like to pursue career opportunities as a CFA charter holder or CMA or equity research or asset management, this program is a really good stepping stone which will help you in navigating through the career opportunities a lot smoother. So this program has been very carefully designed to ensure that you understand absolute nuances of financial analysis using real-world case studies, hands-on Excel-based exercises and interactive group discussions. The first session of the program will explain you through the world of accounting equation and make you understand that how does every day-to-day business transaction of a company, no matter how large or small it is, will eventually reflect and impact the financial statements. The second session will go into the details of income statement and balance sheet analysis. So things like depreciation, revenue and expense recognitions, and different measurement tools of the balance sheet will be covered in the second session. So the final session will blend everything together and will teach you how to perform effective financial statement analysis using ratios. What we are going to do is download the data for two real-life publicly traded companies in Excel, calculate all the relevant ratios and draw meaningful conclusion. So that's the overall summary of the program. Everything which we need to know to understand financial analysis and better is embedded in this to help you understand the basics and take your journey forward.